I slept in today. I was gonna go to the gym, but I woke up too late. So I just did push-ups and little stretch. And now I'm folding laundry. I'm gonna be honest with you. Yeah, I'm depressed these days. I had this feeling like 6 months ago. It feels like something stuck in your chest. Yeah, I mean, maybe something in my heart or chest. And I really can't describe this feeling in English. It is like heavy chest. It's not easy to breathe. I'm worrying about something, but I don't know what exactly. I don't even know what caused this feeling. I'm not talking about how depressed I am. I want to talk about how I changed and how I'm dealing with this feeling now. So this feeling is the same as 6 months ago, but me, myself, is not the same. I think I grew up and I'm stronger than before. The reason why I'm saying that is 6 months ago when I was down, I really didn't want to do anything, literally nothing. That time, I was staying in bed all day except for my working hours. I mean, depressed or not, I have to go to work to make a living, right? So at that time, only time I get out of the bed was go to work. But now, as you can see, I'm folding laundry and actually I want to go to the gym to work out. I want to make videos instead of just stay in the bed. So this is the difference I have made. I don't know how I changed it. I mean, it's a good thing, definitely. I still feel a little depressed, down, but I'm still moving. That's the difference. I think I have really weak mentality. I am very emotional. Like I can't control my emotion. Like emotion used to control myself, not I control my emotion. But this time I am trying to control my emotion, not the emotion control myself. It feels actually good because I feel like I grew up and I am stronger than before. Actually, like I said in the last video, like last 10 days, I didn't do much. I didn't make a lot of videos as usual, but I still made some videos. I skipped a couple days of uploading. That was short stop. I didn't stop for long, and now I'm trying to get back on the track, right track. I think I'm already on it. This video, I didn't make script. I'm just saying like what I'm thinking right now. So it sounds maybe like, what is this guy talking about? Yeah, just this is what I'm thinking. Where were we? Oh. My main point is this time I'm fighting back depression. And I think I'm winning. And my place is really messy. Yeah, I'm doing little by little. I clean up maybe like 10 minutes, 20 minutes a day. Yesterday I cleaned up my kitchen table, and today I'm folding laundry. Tomorrow I'm going to throw the trash bags. Yeah, just little by little. One step at a time, like I always said. I'm not a motivator or something. I'm just sharing my experience. But actually I want to know how I changed myself. When I'm down, I'm fighting back. Not just let depression consume myself. I'm actually fighting back. I'm beating it up. I don't know how. Oh. I think I kind of know how. I've been uploading videos already 10 months. This pays my groceries right now. I talked about it before. This takes long time to make money because I didn't invest any money in this social media. I just invested my time. That's why it's totally normal to take time to make profit. Now, even though it's not big, but I started making money. I built the system by myself without anyone's help. Yeah, I mean, of course, you guys watch my videos, that helps. What I want to say is, make video, upload video, all the works. I didn't rely on anybody. I just did it myself. That's the big thing. Changed my mindset. I was always like, I don't even know what I like. Why? I'm not good at anything. That actually destroyed myself. Cause I felt like I'm kind of useless. Like I have a big dream. I wanna live in a wealthy life. That was really bad. Cause the reality and my dream is too far away from each other. But now I found out what I like. I like to make video, and yeah, I gained this much followers. That means I'm good at it. Yeah, I told my wife, maybe I'm actually good at making videos. Maybe. And she said, what do you mean maybe? You have 100,000 followers. That means you're good at it. It says all. So I was like, huh, that's a good answer. Finally found out what I'm good at it, what I'm liking. I think that actually changed my mindset and my mentality, my strength of mind. So this time when the depression hits me, I don't stop like before. I'm moving. This is actually very, very impressive growth. I'm gonna go back to gym. I feel like I say it in every videos, but I didn't go yet. But I'm gonna. And you know what? Let me show you something. You know what this is? It was so interesting. So what happened is, yesterday I was working at a restaurant and there was a customer, a couple, and I gave them the bill. She paid. We are using a tablet to pay. I give her the tablet to sign. She was looking something in her bag. She signed on the tablet. She left like 20% of tips. That was very generous. She asked me, do you have Spotify? So I was like, I thought she was asking the playlist of the restaurant Spotify. So, oh yeah. And she's like, for yourself. So I said, oh no. And she's like, she gave me this. This is for you. Like, it's like $120 in there. So this is, yeah, Amazon Music gift card. I mean, this is so, I don't know how it happened. Oh, I served her as a user. I didn't do any extra service or something. I just worked. And someone gave me this. I was kind of froze at the moment because I really didn't expect this. So I was like, oh, thank you. I appreciate it. I feel like I had to show more appreciation. But I was really, really like kind of froze. I was like, oh, what's going on? But yeah, anyways, I'm not sure if you are watching my videos or not. I really appreciate it. And actually, I don't listen to music, but I'm going to start. I go to the gym, then listen to music, work out together. Maybe this card might change my lifestyle. Anyways, this was really unexpected gift. I'm grateful. Today's my story is done, and I'm thinking to make some more videos about how I think about something and how I want to ask your opinion as well. But just keep that in mind. This is just personal thoughts. I don't say always right thing. My thought always could change. You know, like 5 years ago myself and right now, I am a different person kind of. More experience I get, my thought could change. Yeah, but nothing so deep, just like general things. Okay, I'm gonna go to edit this video. Bye bye.